This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And today, this is a really good one.
Yes, today we're talking about something so many beginners feel.
You watch English videos, you listen to English music, you understand a lot.
But then someone says, "Hey, speak English," and you...
Nothing comes out.
Exactly. You go quiet, and you think, why? Why can I understand but not speak?
If that is you, this episode is for you.
We're going to explain why this happens.
And we're going to give you real, simple ways to fix it.
So stay with us. This is going to help you a lot.
Okay, so first, welcome. If this is your first time here, hello. We're so happy you found us.
This channel, Easy English Podcast, is for people who are learning English.
We talk slowly, we use simple words, and we make learning feel easy.
That is the goal, right? Easy.
Not scary, not boring.
Easy and fun.
So if you like that, please subscribe. Just press the button. It is free, and you will get new English practice every day.
Every day.
Yes, we upload every single day, so every day you can practice English with us.
And if today's topic, why you understand but can't speak, if that feels like you, please share this video.
Share it with a friend who is learning English. Maybe they feel the same.
Okay, let's start.
So Sarah, let me ask you something. When you were learning English, did you have this problem?
Oh, 100% yes.
Really? Tell me.
Okay, so I remember watching an English TV show, and I could understand most of it, maybe 70–80%.
That's pretty good.
Right, I felt good. I thought, I know English.
And then?
And then a real person, a native speaker, started talking to me, and I froze.
Froze. That means you stopped. You couldn't move. You couldn't speak.
Yes, I stood there, like a statue.
I know that feeling.
And the worst part? Later, alone, I thought of everything I wanted to say.
Oh, yes. That happens to everyone.
You know the perfect sentence, but only after the conversation is over.
Too late.
Too late, exactly.
So why does this happen? This is the big question today.
And it is so important because a lot of beginners, they study grammar, they study vocabulary, they watch videos,
They do all the right things.
and still they can't speak. And they think, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I'm stupid.
No. That is not true.
Not at all. There is a real reason this happens.
A real, simple reason.
And once you understand the reason, you can fix it.
Let's talk about it.
Okay, Mike. So what is the first reason?
Okay, the first reason is this. Listening and speaking are different skills.
Say that again. That is really important.
Listening and speaking are different skills.
They are not the same.
Right. Think about it like this. Can you watch someone swim?
Sure.
And after watching, can you swim?
Oh, no. Of course not.
Exactly. Watching someone swim does not teach your body how to swim.
Oh, I love that example.
Your body has to practice. Your arms, your legs, they need to try.
And it is the same with speaking English.
Yes, your ears can understand English, but your mouth needs its own practice.
Your mouth needs to try to make the sounds, to form the sentences.
You can say it like this. I need mouth practice.
I need mouth practice. That sounds funny, but it is so true.
It's true. When you listen, your ears work, but when you speak, many things work together. Your brain, your mouth, your breath, your confidence.
Your confidence. Yes, that is a big one.
We will talk about that in a minute.
Okay, so that is the first reason. Listening and speaking use different skills. You need to practice both.
Separately.
Right. Don't think, I listen a lot so I can speak. That's not enough.
Good. Okay. Second reason.
Okay, what is the second reason?
The second reason, and this is a big one, is translation.
Oh, yes.
When someone asks you a question in English, what do most beginners do?
They translate.
Exactly. First, they hear the English. Then they translate it to their language. Then they think of the answer in their language. Then they translate the answer back to English. Then they try to speak.
That is so many steps.
So many steps, and all of that takes time. And while you are translating in your head,
The conversation is moving forward without you.
exactly, and then you feel lost, and then you say nothing.
So, what is the fix?
The fix is you have to stop translating.
Okay, but how? That sounds easy to say.
I know, it's not easy, but here is one small way to start.
Tell me.
Learn short phrases, not single words, phrases.
Oh, can you give an example?
Yes, so instead of learning the word happy, learn the phrase, I'm really happy today.
Oh, so the full sentence is already in your head.
Yes, you don't need to build the sentence, it's already there.
Like a ready sentence.
A ready sentence, I like that. Yes, ready sentences.
Viewers, you can try this at home. Take a sentence you use a lot in your own language. Translate it one time, learn it, practice it many times.
So next time, you don't need to translate. The sentence is just ready.
I'm really happy today.
I had a good day.
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Ooh, that one is so useful.
So useful. Learn that one for sure.
Okay, stay with us. We are going to practice again at the end, so keep listening.
Okay, third reason, and I think this is the biggest one.
Oh, I think I know what you're going to say.
Fear.
Yes, fear.
Fear of making mistakes.
This is so common. Beginners are afraid. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh?
What if I sound stupid?
Yes, and so they say nothing.
And saying nothing feels safe.
It feels safe, but it doesn't help you.
It doesn't help at all, because if you never speak, you never practice. And if you never practice, you never get better.
It's a circle, a bad circle.
A circle that keeps you stuck.
So how do we break the circle?
Okay, I want to say something important here.
Yes?
Mistakes are not bad.
Say it louder.
Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are how you learn.
Every person who speaks English well today, they made thousands of mistakes.
Thousands. I still make mistakes.
Me too.
And that is okay. The goal is not perfect English.
The goal is understood English.
Oh, I love that. Say it again.
The goal is not perfect English. The goal is understood English.
If people understand you, you are communicating. That is success.
Viewers, please write that down or save this video. The goal is understood English. That idea changed my life.
It really does change things. Once you stop trying to be perfect, speaking gets so much easier.
Because you are not afraid of being wrong. You just talk.
You just talk and people understand, and you feel good and you want to talk more.
The good circle.
The good circle, yes.
Okay, so we talked about 3 reasons. Let's review quickly.
Number 1, listening and speaking are different skills.
Number 2, too much translation in your head.
Number 3, fear of mistakes.
Now, let's talk about some real situations, because I want viewers to really understand where this happens.
Good idea. Okay, situation 1. You're at a shop. The person says, "Can I help you?"
Simple question, right?
Very simple, but a beginner might freeze.
Why? Because they're thinking, how do I answer? Is my grammar correct? What if I say the wrong word?
And while they're thinking all of that, the shop person is just waiting.
And it gets awkward.
Awkward, that means uncomfortable, a little strange and uncomfortable.
In this situation, you don't need perfect English. You just need a few words.
You can say, "Yes, please, I'm looking for," and then point if you need to.
Pointing is allowed.
Absolutely allowed. Use your body. Use simple words. Get the message across.
Get the message across. That means make sure the other person understands you.
Right. Getting the message across is the goal.
Situation 2. A friend says, "What did you do this weekend?"
Okay, this one is a little longer. You need to talk about your weekend.
A beginner might think they need a long, perfect answer.
But you don't. You can say, I stayed home, I watched TV. It was nice.
Short, simple, clear.
3 sentences. That is a complete answer.
You can also say, "I went to," and say the place. "I went to the park." Done.
Done. See? Not so hard.
The key is, don't wait for perfect. Say something simple.
Something simple is so much better than complete silence.
Okay, viewers, this is your practice moment.
We are going to give you some ready sentences, phrases you can use right now.
These are real phrases, natural English. Learn these and use them.
Number 1, when you don't understand.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
I didn't catch that. What did you say?
Number 2, when you need time to think.
Let me think for a second.
That's a good question.
I'm not sure, but I think...
These phrases are gold. They give you time, and they make you sound natural.
Because native speakers use these phrases too.
All the time. Nobody expects you to answer immediately every single time.
Number 3, simple, everyday sentences.
I agree with you.
That makes sense.
I like that idea.
I'm not sure about that.
Practice these. Say them out loud. Say them 5 times right now if you can.
Seriously, say them out loud, not in your head. Out loud.
Your mouth needs the practice, remember?
Mouth practice.
Exactly.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about some practical tips. What can viewers do today to get better at speaking?
Great. Tip 1. Talk to yourself.
Yes, this one is underrated. People think it's strange, but it works so well.
When you are making breakfast, say what you are doing in English.
I'm making coffee. I'm putting the bread in the toaster. The coffee smells good.
Nobody is listening. There's no pressure, but your mouth is practicing.
And your brain is connecting English words to real things in your life.
Tip 2. Shadow speaker.
Shadow. That means you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat exactly what they say at the same time or just after.
Like a shadow, you follow them.
You can shadow us. Listen to this podcast and repeat.
Yes, pause, repeat, pause, repeat.
Your speaking will improve so fast with this method.
Tip 3. Find one person to practice with.
One person. You don't need a big group. Just one friend, one language partner, one person online.
Many apps and websites help you find English-speaking partners.
And they are learning your language, so you help each other.
You talk English for 15 minutes, then you switch.
Easy, low pressure, and very helpful.
So, talk to yourself, shadow speakers, and find one practice partner.
3 small tips, but they really work.
Okay, we are getting close to the end, but first, let's bring everything together.
So, today we talked about why you understand English but can't speak.
The 3 main reasons are, number 1, listening and speaking are different skills. You need to practice both.
Number 2, translating in your head slows you down. Learn ready phrases so you don't need to translate.
Number 3, fear of mistakes. Remember, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is understood English.
And we gave you some real tips. Talk to yourself, shadow speakers, and find a practice partner.
Small steps, every day. That is how you get better.
You already understand English. That is actually really amazing.
It really is. A lot of people can't even do that.
Now you just need to give your mouth the chance to catch up.
And it will, I promise it will.
Okay, now it is your turn to practice.
In the comments, we want you to write one sentence. Just one.
Write this. My name is blank, and I am learning English because blank.
For example, you can write, my name is Anna, and I am learning English because I want to travel.
Or, my name is Carlos, and I am learning English because I love American movies.
Any reason is a good reason. Write yours below.
And we read the comments. We really do. So write something and we will see it.
This is your speaking practice, in writing, but it still counts.
It counts. Every word in English is practice.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We really mean that. You chose to spend your time learning with us, and that makes us very happy.
Learning a new language is not easy. It takes time. It takes courage.
But you are doing it. You are here. That already puts you ahead.
So be proud of yourself, really.
And don't forget, perfect is not the goal. Progress is the goal.
Every day a little better. That is enough.
Now, tomorrow's episode is going to be really exciting.
Oh, tell them.
Tomorrow, we are talking about stop translating, how to think and speak in English directly.
If today's episode was about why you can't speak, tomorrow is about how to change the way your brain works.
It is going to be so good. Don't miss it.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. The bell too. Turn on the notification bell.
Okay, everyone. Thank you again. Keep practicing. Be brave. Speak English.
Even if it's not perfect, speak.
Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.